Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest home essentials that redefine comfort and style. Today, we're excited to introduce what we believe is the best compact sleeper sofa on the market, the LOVMOC Tri-Folding Sofa Mattress. This innovative piece is more than just a sofa. It's a versatile, space-saving solution for anyone in need of a cozy place to sit during the day and a comfortable bed at night. The LOVMOC mattress is perfect for unexpected guests, small apartments, or even for those spontaneous camping trips. One of the standout features of the LOVMOC sofa mattress is its tri-fold design. This allows it to be easily transformed into 4 different forms. Whether you need it as a casual couch for lounging or a full-fledged bed for a good night's sleep, this mattress adapts to your needs seamlessly. Plus, it comes with a fluffy pillow that adds an extra layer of comfort. Let's talk about convenience. The LOVMOC mattress is incredibly easy to set up. It arrives in vacuum-sealed packaging, so all you need to do is unbox it and let it plump up for a few hours. Ideally, give it about 24 hours to reach its full size. This mattress is designed for those who value their time and space. Now, let's discuss quality. The LOVMOC mattress features high-density memory foam that provides excellent support without that sinking feeling. This means you can enjoy a restful night's sleep or a relaxing afternoon nap without discomfort. The outer fabric is soft, breathable, and skin-friendly, ensuring a wonderful user experience every time. Maintenance is also a breeze. The removable cover is washable, making it easy to keep your mattress fresh and clean. This is especially important for a product that's likely to see a lot of use. Another fantastic aspect of the LOVMOC mattress is its modern design. Its sleek and stylish appearance makes it a fitting addition to any room, whether it's a living room, guest room, or even a dormitory. The neutral gray color complements a variety of decor styles, making it a versatile choice for any home. At a price point of $159.99, this compact sleeper sofa mattress offers incredible value. It's affordable, practical, and stylish, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their living space without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the LOVMOC Tri-Folding Sofa Mattress stands out as a top choice for those seeking comfort, functionality, and style in a compact design. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's for an unexpected sleepover or simply to add more seating to your home. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing product, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best home products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.